Hey guys, it's me, Brianna, and today I'm going to be doing a squishy package. I know that I haven't been posting for a while. I've just been busy with school and family and stuff like that, so sorry about that. Okay, so first I got a animal bun. The packaging is so cute. And what I got in that packaging, in that blind bag, I got dog. He's really squishy. Next, I got this banana. Here's the packaging. Super cute. And here's the banana. It's really, really squishy. So yeah, this is the banana. Next, I have the iBloom donut. Which is also really squishy. Then here's the back. It's a little license cupcake, an OSC. Next, I have Millie the Whale iBloom. Little unicorn horn, or narwhal horn. Then her tail, and her tail has a little heart at the bottom in the corner. Then her stomach has a heart as well. And then next I have Billy the Whale. And then his tail is also really squishy. There's not a heart at the bottom of his, but he does have a heart on his stomach. So, yeah. So that is all that I got from this Silly Squishies package. If you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and comment what you would like me to do in my next video. I'll be sure to do it. Alright, bye!